Hi, I'm Patrick Rocha, and in this video I want to show you the benefits of cloves. Better known as cloves, this spice that is so used here in Brazil, and also outside Brazil, is much more than just a spice. It is, in fact, a medicinal herb with incredible properties, which will help a lot if you are diabetic, if you are pre-diabetic, if you have obesity problems, if you are overweight, if you have fatty liver, or if you want to be healthier. It doesn't matter, clove has medicinal properties. I'll show you in this video. I'll show you some interesting studies too. And I'm founder of Dr. Rocha. I'm Patrick Rocha, for those who don't know me, which is the biggest education and health portal here on the internet. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm also there on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok. There's always content there, and let's get straight to the point. How do you use the harpsichord? What are the medicinal properties? Stay with me until the end of this video. That at the end of the video I will give you some incredible tips for you to learn how to use cloves and have these benefits that I will tell you now. Come with me. So clove is a very versatile spice, is actually a medicinal herb that adds flavor and also provides many health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants. It can help regulate blood sugar for those of you who are diabetic, pre-diabetic. It can kill bacteria. It has an antibiotic effect, that's right, and much more. The clove is actually the flower bud of the clove tree, a perennial plant also known as Syzygium aromaticum, a complicated name, right? It is found in whole forms and also in ground form. This versatile spice can be used to flavor baked goods, to flavor hot drinks like tea. I show you how to make tea at the end of this video, and also in oil form. Clove is best known as a sweet and aromatic spice, but it has also been used in traditional medicine for many years. In fact, animal studies have found that the compounds in cloves can have a number of health benefits, including supporting liver health and helping to stabilize blood glucose levels. And I'm going to show you now, in this quick video, several impressive health benefits of consuming cloves. You wanted to consume daily after knowing this here. First, it contains nutrient, which is very important. Cloves are a very rich source of manganese. Manganese is an essential mineral for maintaining brain function and also for you to build stronger bones. If you take 1 teaspoon, 2 grams of ground cloves, it contains 55% of your daily requirement of manganese. Look how interesting, right? Second, it is high in antioxidants. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are compounds that reduce what we call oxidative stress. Literally fights free radicals, fights chronic diseases. Clove also contains a compound, which is its main antioxidant, called Eugenol, which acts amazingly as an anti-inflammatory and analgesic. I'll talk more about that later. One study showed that Eugenol stopped oxidative damage caused by free radicals 5 times more effectively than vitamin E, which is already a potent antioxidant. Interesting, huh? Including cloves in your smart, low-carb diet, along with other antioxidant-rich foods, will help improve your overall health. Another thing is the antibiotic effect. It can kill bacteria. It has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help stop the growth of microorganisms like some types of bacteria, okay? Mainly Escherichia coli, which causes what? Intestinal infection. It causes a lot of urinary infection and it can be eliminated. There were some studies that showed this by cloves. This is pretty amazing, isn't it? An herb of this medicinal power. The antibacterial properties of cloves, they may even help promote oral health. That's right. There was a test tube study that found that compounds that are extracted from cloves stop the growth of 2 types of bacteria that contribute to the condition called gingivitis, which is inflammation of the gums. There was another study with 40 people that tested the effects of mouthwash based on Indian cloves, oil mainly, tree oil, tea, and it had an incredible effect. After using this rinse for 3 weeks, people who used it showed improvements in gum health, with the anti-inflammatory properties decreasing plaque and also de-inflaming the gums. Look how amazing, huh? So if you combine regular brushing with proper oral hygiene, you'll get the antibacterial effects of cloves in a very beneficial way for your oral health. It's okay, This is very important to point out. So, if you combine good regular brushing, oral hygiene, and use the antibacterial effects of cloves, whether in the form of tea or even chewing the flower itself, you will have much better oral health, okay? So that's it. Let's talk about other benefits. It doesn't stop there. Another incredible benefit of cloves is to improve liver health. You who have fatty liver, hepatic steatosis, will be pleased to know this. The Eugenol itself, that antioxidant that I mentioned, which is the main present in cloves, this helps a lot to prevent liver diseases, because those who are diabetic, who are obese, who belong generally have liver problems too, have fat problems in the liver, so it will help to deflate your liver, it will help to have a healthier liver, it will help to reduce what we call oxidative stress, protect the liver from free radicals. This is very good. It helps in the treatment of fatty liver. It can also promote bone health. As I said, low bone mass affects about 43 million adults in the United States. This statistic is very serious. Brazil is no different, and it can lead to the development of osteoporosis, and this greatly increases the risk of you having breaks, of having fractures, and cloves are rich in manganese, as I said at the beginning, which provides a very important effect, along with calcium, magnesium and vitamin D, for you to have stronger bones. It plays a very important role. It is a mineral that is involved in bone formation, okay? In the formation of bones, you have stronger bones, strengthened bones. Another effect is the anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect. You who suffer with arthritis, with pain, headaches too, look, you can be sure that it helps a lot. It is very beneficial for people who suffer from inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis, such as pain in general, pain in the spine, diseases related to inflammation in general. And it also has analgesic properties. It helps relieve pain. Including clove oil, extracted from the flower buds, is used as a natural painkiller. You can apply it to the place that hurts, for example, on the shoulder, joint, elbow, legs. Clove oil can be applied directly to relieve muscle aches, joint pains, toothaches, even headaches in the temple area. Cool, right? Improved digestive health. Look how interesting. It improves several digestive problems. It helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. That is, it helps digestion in general. It relieves symptoms such as that feeling of fullness, gases in digestion, desire to vomit, nausea. Helps a lot. That's why I decided to make this video, because I'm always in favor of medicine that is as natural as possible, of you making your food, your spices, your best medicine. So if you like this video, big hug, and until our next video, bye bye.